Good morning, everyone. Good morning, all. So let's start again. Welcome back you all to my channel, Study Students Educational Creature Channels. And today I will show you all one practical that is based on that is the 12th class based practicals. And the practicals is the what to study the pH of different water samples. So let's start. For that requirements, for that experiment, the requirements is for the taking the samples from the from the taking the rivers water and some water taken from the ponds. Okay, they are the river water and the ponds water, and other requirement is the test tubes. Then you require the what that is the pH paper. It's called what pH papers, and some test tube taken for these experiments. So let's start. So dear students, let's start the practicals. So first you take some test tubes. Okay. The test tube you should be take carefully. Okay, and then you put pour some water. The samples A taken. That I taken the river waters like this. Okay, and keep in it a test tube stand. Okay. Then another waters, that is the pond waters taken in the test tubes like this. Okay, then also put in the test tube stand. Okay, these are two taken the waters. Yes, I am showing you all that this water is the river waters and this is the pond water. So now let's check their pH. So for the checking of the pH, you take some pH indicator paper. This is the pH papers. Okay, you take this paper, pH paper. Okay, so they have some pH strip, and you just your one pH strip and just put in the first water, the river waters. Okay, like this. After that, you compare the colors. The color has changed. The color has changed. That compare with the word that the strips. They compare the strips. That matching that the which colors will be up to which range the strips color has come. So I think it's 5 point something. Okay. So this is the river water. The 5 point something is the written the pH. Okay. Then again you take the another strip from there. Other strips from the pH papers. Okay, then put this one again, put others, that is the river waters. You put this and also compare with the pH scale. Okay, and in this, like if comparing like this, if it range will become, which range will become, you just observe that. Okay, so it will be, I think it will be, that is also the 5 point somethings. Okay, so these are the checking of the pH of different water samples by using the pH strip papers. So from the experiment we conclude that that depends on the water's quality, that depends on the pH. You know, the pH scale have the neutral is the 7. If the below the 7s of range, that is the acidic mediums, and if the above the 7 pH, that is the basic form. Okay, so it is the below the 7, so both having some acidic levels, some river water also acidic levels, and the pond waters have the acidic level. So this is the conclusion that is the, if the pH is the acidic form, they are the more polluted, and also that some growing of the different cultivations that takes place this pH waters. Okay, so in this way you just raise the pH of different water sample can you observe by using this pH paper strip. Thank you.